The Bengalis in East Pakistan soon realize that they are ruled by a powerful West Pakistani bureaucracy and military with no autonomy of their own. The real control of government, of legislature, of economic power all lie in the West. The East Bengalis feel oppressed and resent the drain on their resources. There are also differences in language and culture, which will go on to become precipitating factors in the build-up to the war. At a key education summit in Karachi, the Pakistani government announces Urdu as the sole national language. This sparks extensive protests and mass discontent.
The Bengalis were 56% of the population of Pakistan, and yet the central leadership and the central government sought to impose Urdu as the only state language of Pakistan.
On his one and only visit to East Pakistan, Governor General Muhammad Ali Jinnah addresses a public meeting at the racecourse ground and claims that the language issue was designed by a fifth column to divide Pakistani Muslims. Jinnah further declares that Urdu, and only Urdu, embodies the spirit of the Muslim nation and will remain the state language, labeling those who disagree with his views as enemies of Pakistan.
Mr. Jinnah উর্দুকে পাকিস্তানের রাষ্ট্রভাষা করে এটাকে চাপিয়ে দেওয়ার যেটা চেষ্টা করেছিলেন তার মূল উদ্দেশ্য ছিল যে বাঙালি যদি আলাদা জাতিসত্তা নিয়ে একটা আলাদা রাষ্ট্রে রূপান্তরিত হয় তাহলে এই রিজিয়নে শুধু পাকিস্তানের মধ্যে নয় বাঙালি সবাইকে ডমিনেট করবে অতএব যাতে করে এই জাতিসত্তার বিকাশ না করতে পারে সেই উদ্দেশ্যটা ছিল ভাষার উপর আক্রমণ করে বাঙালিকে চাপিয়ে দেওয়া এবং দমিয়ে দেওয়া এই উদ্দেশ্যেই মিস্টার জিন্নাহ উর্দুকে রাষ্ট্রভাষা হিসেবে চাপিয়ে দিতে চেয়েছিলেন
Jinnah delivers his final blow before leaving East Pakistan, going on radio and reasserting his Urdu-only policy. The students and the youth are enraged. A young and enterprising student, Mujibur Rahman, forms an opposition student organization called the East Pakistan Muslim Students League. Mujib starts rising to prominence. Meanwhile, the struggle to make Bengali the official state language continues. This language movement, as it is called, is mainly driven by the youth of East Pakistan, enraged and demanding their rights by protesting and organizing rallies.